Hi everyone, I'm Jiaming.
And I'm Joelle.
And we are back again this month for another What's Happened
And What's Happening
in the Real Estate Market. Midtown Modern saw a very successful launch a couple of weeks back. Now, being one of the most popular core central region launch right above the Bugis MRT station, this project garnered a lot of interest after 2 weeks of interest collection from the public. Now, of course, during the launch itself, more than about 62% of the houses of the homes were sold. Well, ranging from 1 to 4 bedrooms, starting from about $1.2 million. This is actually a very attractive launch in today's market. Now, we actually didn't see a more attractive launch than this in that area since 2014. The last one that was being launched so popular was
Dual Residences.
Yeah, Dual Residences. That was one of the most popular ones. So if you're interested in this project, do contact us to find out more. So Joel, you have some updates for us as well?
Yes, and that's Orwell Hill Residences. Orwell Hill Residences actually launched just a couple of days back with a luxuriously themed project nested in the between Orchard Road and River Valley, with a very low entry price of just $1 million in your prime District 9.
Wow, that's actually quite a low price, low entry for actually something that's situated so near to Orchard Road.
Yes, You didn't hear wrongly. It's really just below $1 million for this project. And the take-up rate is actually fantastic. They sold almost 50% on just day one.
And we realized that actually there were a lot of people who upgraded on the spot, right? So we saw some people who actually went from 1 to 2 bedrooms, 2 to 3, or even some went up to 4 bedrooms.
Yeah, we have one colleague client, they actually upgraded from 2-bedder to 4-bedder.
That's really okay. And of course, this is actually by CDL, one of the most renowned developers in town. So if you're keen to find out more, do let us know if we can actually share more info with you.
Yes.
The flash estimates for the Q1 real estate index is actually out, and the results are actually quite shocking. Right now, most people would have thought house prices would actually be brought to its knees by its pandemic, but the opposite happened. Right, with actually the rest of central region and the landed properties leading the charge. Now, of course, landed properties, right? After dropping a little bit on the fourth quarter in 2020, it went up by a whopping 5.6% in Q1 2021.
Wow, that's a really huge jump for such a high quantum,
these
product.
are actually the biggest quantum products in Singapore.
Yes.
And of course, if for the rest of central region homes, the results are even more shocking. Now, the rest of central region homes, went up by 4.1% in the last quarter of 2020, and in the first quarter of 2021, it actually went up by 6.1%.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which means that if you have been owning, you have bought something in the rest of central region after the circuit breaker, you'll probably be sitting on about 11% of paper gain, right? So this is actually one of the most, shocking in terms of gain in the property segment.
So now, if you want to find out which type of properties will give you the biggest gain, or if the property that you're sitting on is right for the picking, just drop us a message.
And we will get back to you.
There's currently 2 action-packed launches that's coming up real soon. One of them is your highly anticipated One North Eden.
Yes, I know we have been talking about this launch for the longest time, but it's finally here, it's happening. Right?
Yes, situated in the One North Pristine transformation, this development is likely going to be a sellout on its launch day.
Yeah, it's just 165 units, so it's going to go really, really quite fast.
And prices is likely to start at 1 million for the 1 bedroom and up to 3 million for the biggest room type.
Yes, so of course, if you'd like to find out more about this project, please let us know and see how we can arrange a viewing for you in the upcoming show flat.
What's the next one that's coming up?
Okay, the next one that we have actually would take a center stage of the CBD new launches, and that would be One Burnham, located very near to your Tanjong Pagar MRT. This super tall development, okay, is set to charm you with its 1 to 3 bedroom unit types. And I heard the 3 bedroom unit types are actually very luxuriously sized at about 1,400 plus square feet. That's pretty quite rare in the CBD market today. And of course, for those who have appetite for a super penthouse, there's one that's going to be over 4,300 square feet. That's going to be a 5-bedroom unit that's going to be in this project. So this is going to launch very soon, probably in May. Okay, and so to let us know if you're keen to find out more about this project.
So that's it for this month's property updates.
And if you are keen to find out more about the launches that we have mentioned, okay, please don't hesitate to scan a QR code to make an appointment with us.
And for more awesome content, feel free to check out our website below or visit our Facebook page.
So
Till next month, see you soon.